The book is really awesome and helped me to find my every doubt in USA healthcare, and AR calling denials is totally outstanding, and concept contents and full form, everything I loved it.
Welcome back to VB English channel today. We're learning Medicare Savings Programs, QMB, SLMB, QI, and QDWI. Yes, looks confusing now, but after this video, you'll explain it to your friends like a doctor. So like, subscribe, share. Before my relatives ask at family function, still doing YouTube, What are Medicare Savings Programs? MSPS. Medicare Savings Programs are Medicaid programs that help pay Medicare costs for people with low income. They can pay for 1. Medicare premiums, 2. Deductibles, 3. Co-payments and coinsurance. Note, you must have Medicare Part A to qualify. Four types of Medicare Savings Programs. 1. QMB, Qualified Medicare Beneficiary, 2. SLMB, Specified Low-Income Medicare Beneficiary, 3. QI, Qualifying Individual, 4. QDWI, Qualified Disabled and Working Individual. Who can qualify for Medicare Savings Programs? To qualify, must meet both of the following requirements. 1. Monthly income limit. 2. Asset savings limit. 1. Income limits, monthly. This is how much money you can earn each month. If your income is below the number, then you may qualify. If it is above, then you may not qualify. Example, if income equals $1,300, QMB limit equals $1,350, then you qualify for QMB. 2. Asset limits, savings. This is how much money you can have saved. Assets include bank money, stocks, extra property, usually not counted, your home, one car, personal items. Example, if savings equals $5,000, then okay. If savings equals $20,000, then too high. 2026 Medicare Savings Program limits are shown below. Please pause this video and read or take a screenshot. QMB equals $1,350, SLMB equals $1,616, QI equals $1,816, QDWI equals $5,405. If married or couples, these are the monthly income limit. QMB equals $1,824, SLMB equals $2,184, QI equals $2,455, QDWI equals $7,299. The same single assets and couple asset limits are shown in the display. Please check or take a screenshot. Bro. Screenshot taken or still searching the button, or you pressing volume plus power button? How long I should wait? Take the screenshot fast. Why limits are different? Because each program gives different help. QMB is biggest help for lowest income limit. SLMB is medium help for higher limit. QI is medium help for higher limit. QDWI is for disabled workers with special rules. The below table shows the programs and what it pays. QMB equals Part A, premium plus Part B, premium plus deductibles plus copays plus coinsurance. SLMB equals Part B, premium only. QI equals Part B, premium only, must reapply yearly limited funding. QDWI equals Part A, premium only for disabled working individuals. MSPS real-life examples are given below for your better understanding. 1. For QMB, marry income equals $1,200 per month. Savings equals $5,000. Under QMB limits, pays $0 Medicare costs. Example. 2. For SLMB, Robert income equals $1,500 per month. Above QMB, under SLMB, Medicaid pays his Part B premium. Example. 3. For QI, Linda income equals $1,750 per month. Only qualifies for QI, must apply every year. Example, 4 for QDWI. James' income equals $4,000 per month, disabled and working. QDWI pays his Part A premium. Mary income equals $1,200 qualifies QMB program. Robert income equals $1,500 qualifies SLMB program. Linda income equals $1,750 qualifies QI program. And James disabled worker income $4,000 qualifies QDW program. Important notes. Limits may be slightly higher in some states. Alaska and Hawaii have higher limits. You must also have Medicare Part A. Easy way to remember, QMB equals everything paid. SLMB equals Part B only. QI equals Part B plus reapply. QDWI equals Part A for disabled workers. Savings, comparing all programs. John Miller, age 67, income $1,200 per month. He qualifies for QMB. Savings per year. Part B premium $174 for 12 equals $2,088. Copays approximately equals $600. Total help approximately equals $2,700 per year. Susan Taylor, age 67, income $1,450 per month. She qualifies for SLMB, savings, Part B premium $2,088 per year. David Clark, age 66, income $1,650 per month, qualifies for QI, savings, same $2,088 per year, but must reapply. Sometimes Medicare pays a claim as the primary insurance, and Medicaid denies it as secondary, saying the service is not covered. In this case, you should check the patient's Medicaid eligibility to see which program they are enrolled in and what benefits are covered. Example: when you check Medicaid eligibility and the patient has an SLMB plan and the remaining balance from Medicare is coinsurance, Medicaid will not pay it. This is because SLMB only pays the Medicare Part B premium, not coinsurance or deductibles, so the remaining balance should be billed to the patient. Note: Medicaid patients should not be billed for any amount, but check your client update and work accordingly. Check out the other videos too. Help this tiny channel become a big, strong channel. You get knowledge, I get motivation, win-win situation. So like, subscribe, share. Before my relatives ask at family function, still doing YouTube, Okay, bye. Go click now. I'm watching you.